Alrighty, so welcome to the next tutorial. In this tutorial, I wanted to take a look at the create a wrestler mode. So let's go into custom wrestlers and we are going to create a new wrestler. And we are going to call this person Tutorial Guy. And if you wanted to just really know what has changed recently, a lot has changed. First of all, there is a new background screen. I got rid of the old locker room layout. I really didn't like it as much as I thought I did. Got new boots. These are some custom made boots inside of the game. And I'm saying too much, but I'm just tired. Been doing a lot of these back to back. So we have the wrestler bio, which as you can see is the name, AI style, region, selection screen pose. What pose do you want to do when you are getting selected? We have the champion selection screen pose. So when you are champion, what's your pose? And as you can see, the wrestler is not holding the belt, and this is because I popped in a new model and have to go back in and redo all of the poses or tweak them to fit the new hand positioning. So please bear with me while I do that. I just wanted to get a good update out for you all. Next thing we want to do is get the appearance. So in appearance you have shape, which is going to allow you to morph the face however you freaking want to. And this is something I'm crazy excited for, me being someone who really got my start in gaming as a wrestling co-creator. I think that this is just fun. That's the only way I can put it. It's fun. You can really go in here and do a lot of different things. I even added some morphs in here that I knew would be needed for certain wrestlers that we didn't have when I was creating wrestlers, such as you see the abnormal forehead shape, the eyes. I have one on here and I'm trying to think which one it is. It is, I think it's called eye cover. Yeah, eye cover here. So this was something that I always needed for like the Jeff Jarrett's and Christian and Adam Cole's, and it never existed, but now it does. You can actually go in here and use this as non-morph, and that's pretty cool. I got a bunch of different nose morphs that you can mess around with, and I try to really just make this as good as it could be. Quite frankly, that's what I was trying to do. So you can make somebody weird looking, goofy looking, realistic looking, whatever you want to do. Got different shapes you can add to the body, so you can give it different bulk. You could make it a heavy person, and this is all thanks to the Dash Studio model. That Dash Genesis model was a beauty, and I always wanted to incorporate it into my project somehow because I'm not a character designer. But that system is just so fluid. All I had to do is create new art assets and integrate it and do different things like that, but that base model is just amazing. So if you go into skin details, you can actually adjust skin color, you can put in custom texture, so this is pretty cool. So I'll go to select. I'm just gonna show you how simple it is real quick to create faces and stuff like that. I mean create custom textures. 1 second. So let's just put a flashlight. Let's put a flashlight on his head. So you see it's a flashlight on his head. And that's the thing. But you can actually go in here where I have download texture templates. And the easiest way to do it, honestly, is just copy the link and go to your browser. Let's go to guest mode. And we can go here and download the textures we need. So I can hit download here, and then I can go back to skin texture. And I'm just showing you an example of how easy it is to download an image and import it onto your face. So we are going to look for, I'm surprised I didn't put a search where you could actually type in and search for a face. That's interesting. But here it is, face 2D view. And now you can see that's actually the face texture that you would use as a base. And you can take that into Photoshop, whatever you want to take it into, draw on it, bring it in, and let's see if we can do that. Hopefully the game does not crash, because my computer is a piece of crap. And when it gets too overpowered, it shuts everything down. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Okay, cool.